Basic aquaponics system facts can be established with the foundation that it can be that much more efficient than permaculture planting and harvesting. The facts around aquaponics is what makes it most appealing to those who wish to not only be more efficient, but also to grow organically and with much more productivity that can be had with gardening or farming. It is established facts that aquaponics can produce at least 10 times more crops in the allotted space, consume 75% less energy to produce, and is as pesticide-free as possible as you can get. Have a good day. Facts, facts, facts. The facts, facts, facts. Facts. Facts.